This wind is so strong. It's blowing at me. See, you can't even see. The snow's on the road. You can't even see up the street. So you see what it would be like outside of the city, where there's no shelter and there's no trees. It'd just be impossible to do anything. Nobody's out. Everyone's staying home. It's so cold. Wind chill makes it into the minus 30s. My face is hurting. Definitely going to be staying inside, not going very far today. The trees are creaking, the wind's blowing. Absolutely amazing. Schools are shut, all the roads in Manitoba are shut, and you can hear it howling in the trees. Absolutely amazing. So powerful, the weather, so dangerous, but it's also beautiful.